Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install VirtualBox on the Windows 11 machine. The same steps will apply to Windows 10 users. To learn how to set up VirtualBox using a Windows 10 installation media, check out the links included in the description where I show you step by step. It's really easy. Start by copying the link from the description and paste it in the browser of your choice. Once the page loads, find and select Windows Host. You will notice the application will begin to download in the upper right. Once done, click on the folder icon as I do, and it will open File Explorer. That way you can right-click and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to the user account control warning when it appears. Click Next. Click Yes, and if missing dependencies, click Yes again, then click Install. If you do not want to run the application right away, uncheck the box and hit Finish. To learn how to use the VirtualBox, click the link below where I show you how to set up a Windows 10 virtual machine. Thanks for watching, and please consider clicking like and subscribe.